We are sorry for the interruption in your programming. This is a national emergency. Please stand by for further information. This is not a test. This is an emergency for all of the USA. 5 nuclear bombs have been sighted and is going at a speed of 100 miles per hour. They are to impact in a few minutes. In order to survive, you must make a shelter. Make sure you have all the supplies, such as food, water, medicine, and clothes, as you will stay for 2 weeks. Explosion will cause fallout leading to radiation sickness or death. A blast will cause temporary blindness. Children are immediately being sent home. Do not attempt to collect them. This is not a test. This is an emergency for all of the USA. 5 nuclear bombs have been sighted and is going at a speed